power doesn't usually come in a grinder like this. The Vermeer HG6800TX horizontal grinder might be the grinder for you if you're a land clearing or right-of-way operation, if you want to grind up and dispose large material, or if you want a machine with high horsepower and a compact design. This is our biggest, most powerful grinder. It can handle whole trees, large stumps, and more. Here are some of my favorite things about the HG6800TX. It has 950 horsepower in a 92,000 pound weight class. It also has a C-rated engine for maximized engine life. The infeed was designed specifically for land clearing, right-of-way operations, and mulch producers. It powers through difficult materials like whole trees and large stumps with minimal operator interaction. Now, let's talk about the Series 3 hard-face duplex drum. This kind of drum is unique to Vermeer. It was designed with maintenance in mind because you could remove, rotate, flip, and replace hammers without the need to rebalance the drum, and it's convenient to access. Removing and changing screens is as efficient as hydraulically opening the mill access lid, pulling the screens up and out of the machine, and replacing them with new screens. Once the screens are in, you can hydraulically close the lid, locking the screens into place, and you are ready to go. The screen hoist is an optional feature that can be operated right from the remote or from the main machine controls. Grinding those larger materials isn't always an easy process, but we designed the infeed on the HG6800TX to help with that. The goal is to let the machine do as much of the work as possible while your operators focus on what they need to. After you load the material onto the infeed, the material meets the feed roller. The nice part about this feed roller is that you can adjust it to help process those materials. It can climb up to 50 inches, which helps the machine grind those logs or stumps that need to be rolled, flipped, or readjusted. It also gives the operator flexibility for different material inputs. As the machine grinds, the intelligent feed system monitors the engine RPM and makes adjustments to optimize machine performance. Another Vermeer exclusive feature is the optional damage defense system. Metal entering the hammer mill can lead to major issues. What the damage defense system does is minimize certain metal contaminants from getting that far. When the machine senses those contaminants, the feed system idles the engine down, reverses the infeed, and disengages the clutch, helping protect your machine. The HG6800TX can come equipped with an optional DT6 dolly transport. By using the DT6 dolly transport, it eliminates the need for a dedicated trailer to move between job sites and increase mobility when transporting the machine from job site to job site. With this design, you track the machine to the dolly, hydraulically lock the dolly to the machine, attach the electrical connections and air lines, then the dolly is ready for transport. Using the DT6 dolly transport also shortens the transport length, making it more convenient to maneuver in those compact job sites. The DT6 dolly transport can be towed separately from the machine if needed to move another Vermeer grinder at a different location. All of these machine features, from the high horsepower to the intelligent feed systems, are there to help you power through tough material. Whether you're land clearing or producing mulch, the HG6800TX can take you to that next level of grinding power. For more information, reach out to your local Vermeer dealer or visit Vermeer.com.